Fuck yeah.
Nice spot.
Oh yeah, my mouth was itchy.
Was a big lone moose right there, but the old DR backfired when I was coming in, and I think I scared him off. Oh well, I'm over halfway back now. Got about maybe 400 kilometres. My bike's starting to make a real funny noise when I go to accelerate, so wish me luck. Worst thing happened. It just died on me again. And now I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere. So, not sure what I'm gonna do. Give us a smile, Ray.
Hey, how's it going?
Mighty Yukon.
That's a fire trap. Really? Both sides of the road? Oh yeah, I can see it back up there.
So, the worst thing, not the worst thing, but a bad thing happened yesterday. The DR just died on me. And I was near Finger Mountain, which is about, it's like 180 or 300 kilometres, like 180 miles or 300 kilometres from Fairbanks. So, yeah, I was in the middle of nowhere, just outside Coldfoot, and camped with the boys. Started heading south again, stopped at Coldfoot, filled up. So I ended up riding about 100 kilometres when, yeah, it just died on me on the road. Decided to just try and do some troubleshooting. Checked for sparks, checked for fuel, checked air. I think it's above my skill set. I had to kind of work out what my next plan was. So I walked south to see if there was like a pull-out point or somewhere I could put my bike, walked to the top of the hill, no luck. Turned around, walked down, back to the bike, when Argentinian guy pulled over. And he offered to tow me to Coldfoot, but I was like, that's 100 kilometres another direction, and I don't know, I just felt like it would have been a step backwards going that way. As much as he wanted to help, too. But he did ride me down maybe half a mile down the road to a house, which I was hoping someone was going to be there. The Old Man's House, as the truckies call it, just after Old Man's Hill. yeah, decided it. I went in there, no one was home. It looked pretty boarded up. I was like, nah, I can't take my bike there. That's how you get shot around here. So I went back, and then in the meantime, trucks just started pulling up. So, yeah, which kind of took me by surprise. I think that's a bit of I didn't realise that it's a bit of an unwritten rule. If someone breaks down out here, you got to kind of help them out. Like, I knew like people will help out, but like at this point I was still trying to troubleshoot. Like, a couple trucks pulled up. They couldn't really help me out as such, but they said they would radio through for a flatbed, someone who's coming back. The guy suggested that. I was like, yeah, we'll try that. A flatbed rolled past and that had Ray. The guy ended up driving me back. There was like 5 or 6 dudes. We just threw the bike up on the top of the truck, riding the, what was it, like 5 hours back to Fairbanks. Acres. Which Ray was a cool dude, really helpful. Didn't ask for anything, but I'm gonna try and buy him a box of beer or take him out for a feed or something. Now I'm staying at Tyler's place, a friend of mine up here. I don't really want to touch the motor. It's like, I don't think it's beyond my skill set. So I've been trying to get hold of motorcycle mechanics. There's a few in this town, but One Shot, they work Saturday, so they have Sunday and Monday off here. So yeah, that's cool. And then the other dude I tried to talk to, I got his voicemail and he's out fishing, so he's got his priorities right. So my plan is today just to try and wash it up, clean the mud off, get it in a good state, and then I'll try and take it to one of them tomorrow. How dirty she is. I'll give her a good wash and get her in a better state than she is now. So just an update on the bike. I took it to the mechanics. Mechanics had a quick look over yesterday. It had no compression in it, nothing at all. So real piss weak compression. They think that somehow diesel's got into the system, which I don't know how that would have happened, but I think it's going to be an expensive problem. God damn it. I went and seen the mechanics at Northern Power Sports up here. Yeah, they showed me the cylinder. It's pretty cooked.
Oh. It's not. It's something else.
But thankfully, it's only the cylinder that needs replacing and the rings and stuff like that. Like the whole barrel, that's good. That's good to go. I'm looking at maybe $1,500, $2,000 for the fix. If the barrel would have went, it would almost be double that, just in parts alone. So kind of little win there. They're still thinking it's diesel, so got a little test I'm going to do later, and that will confirm it. It sucks, but at least I've got an answer now. I filled up this Jerry at the last service station before I had the breakdown. So this would determine if I did fill it up with diesel. So I've got a little bit in a glass here, or the glass container. If it's petrol, it should light. And nothing. It's diesel. Fuck me. Yep, confirmed. So, yeah, I've made a very costly mistake. I just got a phone call from Northern Power Sports and the bike's ready to go. They fixed it. So pretty happy about that. Really, really happy about that. Quite impressive actually. Considering I made the mistake on the Sunday. Monday they were closed. Tuesday though was their first day open. I went and seen them Tuesday morning, and now it's Saturday midday. Like I could have picked it up a couple of hours ago. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Hopefully they haven't stung with labour too much. But that's the benefit of having a bike. You can pull them apart reasonably quick and put them back together. I expressed the parts up, express shipping, so that's helped.
We're back, baby. We're back.
So I've been umming and ahhing whether or not I should document this part of the trip. So I'm quite embarrassed by it, okay? I've been thinking about it, and I'm gonna post it because it's like it can't always just be mad action shots of me riding a motorbike naked, drone flying around me. It can't always be that sexy stuff that's like, and the whole point of this, like me doing this trip, is to document it for future. So it's the good, the bad and the stupid. I pulled up to the pump and I filled up my motorbike with diesel. Yep. A very costly mistake in the middle of nowhere. In my defense though, on the left hand side, and then above that it's like the computer system here where you pay before you actually take out the fuel. So that was on the left hand side, and then about, I don't know, like 1.5 feet, 2 foot, it's got the diesel pump, and that's where the unleaded sticker and the diesel sticker are. I just put it down to, I was rushing. I wanted to get to Fairbanks as fast as possible because I didn't want to spend another night with the skeeters. And I remember clearly thinking as I rolled in, I saw a truck coming in the other direction and it was just making heaps of dust. And I went, I don't want dust getting into my fuel system. I'm going to smash this out really quick so I avoid that problem. In doing so, I ended up picking up the diesel pump, but above it says unleaded and then /diesel. But I just read the unleaded and I just went for the nearest pump and picked it up. So I think there's still a little bit of forgiveness there, but still very, very stupid and a valuable lesson. I think on this trip I've caught myself rushing a little bit too much,